How to log into deleted user profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open control panel on your device. In here, search for recovery. In recovery, in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on recovery. Then, click on the second option here. And if you have anything to be recovered or what you deleted your user profile, you'll find it here. What you need to do is click on it and simply press on restore. In my case, there is no restore profile, so there's no option, but you'll find it here. You can simply click on restore and the profile will be restored. This is how to log into deleted user profile in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.